hello internet. We're about to go rescue my friend's friend from a radiator situation. We're driving from Gastonia to Morganton to replace the radiator. Do you want to talk about what happened?
Yeah, it was a mild situation with the fender bender, potential leakage of fluids and, a stranded motor.
Right, some bits messed up. So we're gonna take a look at the radiator, and we're gonna patch it up, fix it, and make it work again. And we're gonna make a YouTube video about how we did it. You can also check. Look at how close this PT Cruiser is to the back of that big rig.
You must be doing the drafting.
Yeah. I watched a bunch of crash test videos about what happens when a car runs into the back of those. If you're lucky, the little bar at the bottom stops you. If you're not lucky, you get decapitated.
Yeah, I imagine if you get caught underneath it versus bounce off of it, you're really in trouble.
Or if you go underneath it, that's it.
Bad news, man. That's
Yeah.
bad news there. Fantastic.
Yeah. Look at that trailer swerve too.
Dang, girl.
Boy, yeah, they're just, I'll have what they're having.
Somebody passed a scissor.
Yeah, right? Make mine a double though. I'm just gonna stay well off from this whole party.
You're right. Yeah. Should be an Exxon.
Cool. Oh, I bet this is it right here.
They got some also, like you put it on something, and when water comes out, it gets hard.
See how far the stress crack goes though. Okay, so it's only the top to here. But is it popped in the back?
Right. It starts right back here, back behind this little plunge right here. So this right here.
Get out of the way.
Come
Get out of the way.
Hold on. Take it the stick.
I've shoot fired up, and then interject me, show you where it's from.
Oh, we're cool. I don't need to leave. We'll actually let it dry a little bit. Yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and try to pull this off. Here's the thing. I need to go get some glue, but I also need to take this apart. So, I can take it apart after Lowe's closes. Even if it's a slow, we can get from A to B. But it's cracked all around this hinge here, and I like to move this out of my way for sure. This little piece comes right up. Just put it on later. You got a place you can put that away from the hooks?
He's sleeping.
Okay. So there, and there, and that's actually going to be at least give us time to order the radiator, hopefully. And JB Weld's cool, but sometimes it just pops off in one piece, and
If the surface isn't scuffed up,
yeah, it'll just pop right off. I bought one of those number 2 or medium scrub pads right there, and that seemed like it roughed it up pretty good for us. I'm gonna do a little bit more.
Little fella over there, he's in a hurry to get somewhere. I don't think it's right.
No, you always got to vacuum out your car.
Yeah.
Good old gambling card. I'm gonna repurpose this puppy real quick.
Looks like it's a winner.
Yeah, right. Especially now. Saved by the winner. Oh, I heard a little clickety. I don't know what that means.
Well, it means watch out.
This is probably a messy way to do it. I got this like $4 cheaper than I expected. I'm stoked. And we've had bad luck today, so
yeah.
You know.
Such a beautiful color. That's so delicious too.
Oh, forget that.
Oh my god.
Too bad animals think it's tasty.
Oh yeah.
So bad for them.
I
Don't
just
get
like
this
the
near your
liquid
dogs,
Legos.
kids, or your kids' parents.
Okay, do I scratch all of them?
Yeah.
Because I know if you scratch wrong.
You scratch, but you do not sniff in this case.
So I scratch all of them. I
Sure.
can't fuck this up.
No. Nobody's going to be like, you scratched all of them.
Good.
Cool, we have coolant in the lower part of the engine. That's encouraging.
Yeah, okay.
So our overheat wasn't terrible. The bottom end didn't suffer too much. But don't see any oil or anything burping it.
Hey, we got $1.
Did you? Cool.
We got $2. Baby.
Okay.
What? That's 100% return on your investment.
I know, right?
You got your money back.
There you go.
We're almost here.
Oh, it's too dark to see me. So I am following them back to Gastonia, and hopefully the patches will hold and it will be a working minivan. Gastonia on Gorilla Glue, I guess. The minivan is putting up a check engine light, so we're going to reconvene in the parking deck and use a code reader to check the light and see what engine code it's throwing up.
I think I didn't want to put it in the car because I was afraid of the puppy. You know?
Okay.
That's a puppy looking thing.
Crank the car, puppy.
You just want to turn over?
Crank the car. No, to get the OBD.
I'll turn it on here.
Or you even just put it on accessory. Oh, you got your oil light on.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, the oil light is on.
Right now, because the car's off, right?
Oh, right. The
Indicator indicating everything. Yeah, it's indicator indicating that we were indicating. That is my indication.
Thanks to local rescue groups and misbehaving honeybuns, you can make a difference in these. I'm not literally a million bucks, but I feel like it. Because when Joe switched his car insurance, if they go back home, his monthly rate went down. And the savings?
oh, is good news is the fan relay.
Is the what?
Fan relay?
Yeah, I think I started.
adventure with a happy ending. The minivan pretty much seems to be running well enough to function. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos that are similar to this one in some ways. Always make sure to help your friends out along the way. Stay hydrated and drive safely.